Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix Tinder location not working. So to fix that, first of all you should be sure that the internet is working properly on the Tinder app, and to see that you have to go to settings, after that cellular. After that scroll down until you will find like show all. And after that, look for Tinder and go to check, like this option should be put it on WLAN and cellular data to be sure that the app is working with like cellular data, like the internet from your SIM card, and the WLAN, which is like the Wi-Fi that you are using with your phone. If this option is good already, after that you have to be sure that the app is up to date and go and look for Tinder on the App Store. And if you find it like that with the blue icon of update, you have to update your app, because sometimes when the app is not updated, that may like have or cause some problems with the app and not let it work properly. And after that, if everything is well and okay, you have just to try to like restart your phone, and you have to be sure that you are not using any VPN or any like other services to change your location, because Tinder app have only like one option, like the option of Tinder passports, which is like a paid option from them. So if you are using a VPN or some other apps to try to change your location, it may cause also the app to not to work properly for you. And if all those settings and options are good and like the app is not still working properly, you can just try to delete it, like remove it from your phone, click delete app and install it again. And like that, I'm pretty sure that the app will work properly again and the location will work again on your phone. And also another important thing, you have to give the permission for the app to use your location. And to do this, you have to go to settings. And after that, go to apps. And after that, look for Tinder. And you have to be sure that this location option is put it like while using the app. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.